Hi guys, today we try something new about the Retell lectures. As you know, in the Retell lecture we need to listen to a recording and then reproducing it. So do we have to pay attention to everything in the recording? No, of course not. In this, we just have to take down some of the key content in order to reproducing it. I would like you to try to take note by using 5W to see what happened. For those who don't know what is the 5W methods, this is who, what, why, where, when, and how. So it may help. Let's try. Now, you listen to this recording and try to take note using this kind of methods. For your information, this is the real exam question. Now, let's try this.
Why is early child development important? The overarching answer is because it is a determining influence on subsequent life chances and health. But why is that? The principal reason is to be found in the fact that in the early years of life, there are a wide range of very key milestones or sensitive periods in brain and biological development. By the time kids reach school age, a huge amount has taken place in terms of their opportunities to develop basic competencies that will code for success in later years. For instance, their visual systems are connecting to the deep structures in the brain that are associated with emotional control. That means that children who have a consistent set of human faces that they see early on in life, going through a wide range of emotions, develop the neurobiological ability to decode emotion and to develop a sense of belonging. Those children who are neglected or grow up in environments which are violent or emotionally barren develop a completely different style of coping early on in life and a different set of biological connections which do not work so well adaptively later on. Similarly, children early on in life who start off being physically aggressive in situations of social conflict, if by the time they reach school age they've not had the socializing experiences to reduce and eliminate and transform these physically aggressive responses into verbal communication skills, those children are at a high risk of going on to labeling and grade failure as time goes on.
Now you take time, to reproducing the recording using your note. Please don't forget to subscribe and share this video to other people. Thank you.